Hello everyone, so let's learn the new craft today, an aeroplane, which is a very easy craft for kids. So let's see step by step. So first I'm folding the paper into half. This is a square craft paper, so folding it into half. Next, again open it and bring it to the center like this. Same with this side. Now we will just fold it. So what we did is, this was the center, we just folded it like this, then take it back and fold it into half. Now this we will bring here. Again one more time, same. Now same for this side. Bring it here one time and again one more time. So now like this.